Good day, everyone. I'm Teacher Justin, and welcome back to another Math with Teacher Justin. And for today, we're going to talk about conversion of measurements, metric to metric. So let's have this first example. So we have convert 22.1 grams to milligrams. So paano tayo magko-convert ng metric to metric? So for us to convert metric to metric, we need to have this metric conversion. Okay, we have this kilo. Okay, yan, we have this kilo, hecto, deca, and the basic unit, which is meter, grams, or liter, and then deci, centi, and milligram. So, ang alam natin sa metric system is it is base 10, or we just multiply tens, okay, or 10 raised to a power of, or divide 10 raised to the power of. So, para lang mag-convert tayo to 1 unit of measurement, okay, basically, we're just moving the decimal point from left to right or right to left, depending on the direction of our conversion. So, let's have this example. We have 22.1 grams, and we have to convert it to milligrams. So, we have the gram, and that is the basic unit, okay, and we need to convert it to milligram. So, pag pupunta tayo sa milligram, we have to move it how many times? 1, 2, 3. So, basically, we will just move the decimal point 3 units to the right for it to be converted to milligram. So, check natin. We have 22.1. Move lang natin yung decimal point natin 3 times to the right. 1, 2, 3. Lagay natin yung decimal point. And do sa mga gaps, we have to place zeros. So, 1 and 2. Kasi dalawa lang yung gaps natin, we have to put zeros to those gaps. And now, we can have the unit of measurement from grams to milligram, and that will be converted to 22,100 milligrams. And that's it. Ta-da! All right.